Hello everyone. I am Ankit Gadgil and I have been volunteering in open source for the last 9 years now, specifically Mozilla. I volunteer as a reps mentor and a reps peer. And as a day job, I work at Red Hat as an associate manager in software engineering. I highly advocate privacy, and that is why I'm here today in front of you to talk about tracking protection using Firefox. We'll touch on a few items such as why online data privacy is important, why should we care about it, how to customize your browser, specifically Firefox, to protect your privacy, and we'll also see a few tips and tricks while doing that. So let's get started. Let's look at this word, privacy. Do you think your privacy is dead online? I feel it is. You know why? Because social media companies nearly know everything about you. And the world is still turning. Whether you don't mind companies or governments knowing all about your private life, or you still feeling the complete uneasiness at that idea, we often gloss over exactly why our personal data is so important and is worth protecting.